Fetching the profiles from job pool. Screening candidates based on skills given in resume. Calling them for taking the test. Filtering the candidate based on the test result. Calling them for the final round of interview and rolling out the offer. These are conventional procedures of hiring which are time-consuming. It's time to become a pro recruiter with TGPro. TGPro is pre-assessed, pre-verified skill-based profiles of IT professionals on TechGig to meet your hiring requirements in a faster and budget-friendly manner. Get pre-assessed and pre-qualified candidate profiles. Call the candidate directly for the interview. Roll out the offer.